Hello dear students, welcome back to MS Excel class. In a previous class, we discussed insert menu of MS Excel. In that insert menu, we discussed how to insert table and how to insert the pivot table. Here, in a pivot table, we can make changes rows to columns, columns to rows, and we can summarize the data. Okay, in the previous section, we discussed these options through some examples. Today we are seeing the illustration group of insert menu. In that first one is picture. Okay, you can see here on the screen the picture. Just click on picture here. This option already you have worked in MS Word. Okay, picture. Whichever picture are there in your computer, you can insert through this option. Just I am taking one picture here. Any picture you can take. Okay, I am inserting this picture. Just you say insert. Okay, its width, how much it is. Okay, that much size the picture will be inserted. You can decrease the size of the picture by this corner. Okay, just I am moving this. Like this, you can make changes here. You can insert the picture to worksheet. Whenever you insert a picture, automatically the picture tools format bar will be displayed on the screen. Here you can make changes. Okay, here you can crop the picture through crop option. Okay, if you want to remove only this much part, just you can crop this picture. Okay, like this you can make changes. You can set the height, okay, and width of the picture from this. And you can set picture styles here. See here, you can see here picture styles. Okay, whenever I move the mouse pointer, automatically the picture is changing. Okay, like this effect you can set to your picture. Okay, whichever effect you want to set, you can set for your picture. Okay, like this. If I want this one, just I can press this one. Again, if you want to make changes, just move this. Okay, it will be changing. Okay, like this you can make the changes here. Okay, different styles are there. Okay, you can set any style here. Okay, here many styles are there. You can apply to your picture. Okay, that will be changing. You can see the changes over here. Okay, like this you can set for the picture. And brightness also you can change from this option, increase and decrease the brightness of a picture. That also you can make changes here. It is normal now. You can decrease the brightness or increase the brightness. Okay, here you can see the difference. Everything you can make a changes over here. Okay, it is normal. Like this, that only contrast you can change. Recolor the picture. Okay, compress picture. Okay, change whatever you have done changes, you can reset the picture. Again, it will be before what's the size, in that size only it's coming. Okay, again you can make changes. Okay, if you want to make any changes, again you can do the same changes here. Okay, this is insertion of a picture, and you can make different here picture shape. Already here style you can make, you are doing changes, and you can change this picture according to shapes, and you can set the picture border over here. Border color you can change, whichever color you want you can set here. different color border you can set for your picture. Okay, like this you can make changes. If you are having computer at your home, you can try all these options. Similar options you tried in Word also. Same options are there in Excel. Same options are here. Okay, like this you can make a changes. Okay, and picture effects. You can give 3D effects also for that picture. Okay, glow, like the changes you can see there. Okay, if you are making anything changes, you can see the effect there. Okay, 3D rotation, okay, that you can set here. Okay, you can make the changes. 3D effect you can set. Okay, just the reflection you can see, but soft edges, you can make the changes over here. Okay. Like this you can make changes for picture effect also, everything you can change. Okay, whenever you insert a picture, automatically the picture tools format tab will be displayed on the screen. This format toolbar will be displayed related to picture tools. Okay, next one is from insert clip art. Okay, clip art option, click on clip art. You are getting here clip art. Okay, in that if you want to insert some flower, just give here flower, you say go. Okay, it displays the flower picture which are there in your clip art gallery. Just select that and click on insert. That will be inserted to your worksheet. Okay, for this also you can make all the effects, you can make changes over here. If you want the computer picture, just to give computer here. Okay, and say go. The related to computer, so many pictures will be displayed on the screen. Whichever you want, you can insert. I want this one now. Just click on that, it will be inserted to your worksheet. And you can resize that. This is insertion of a clip art. And you can search from a gallery for insertion of the clip art. It will be displayed from the clip art gallery. All the pictures will be displayed on the screen. You can select whichever you want. The next is in insert shapes. Different shapes you can insert. So many shapes are there. Lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equations. Okay, flowchart is there. Callouts are there. Different shapes are there. Whichever you want, just select and drag and place on the screen. It will be inserted. Okay, and you can make changes for that also. You can change the color of that, and you can set the effects for that. Everything you can do, how you are doing for your picture. And you can make edit shape option is there. You can edit the shape. Okay, change shape. Okay, whichever, if you want to set different shape, you can set. Okay, I want this one, I can change. Okay, like this you can make changes. And this is for rotation. Okay, you can rotate the picture here using this option. Okay, rotate option. If you don't want, just say undo. Okay, here if you go, that the cursor pointer will be changing, so you can rotate the shape. And different shapes you can insert. You can insert arrow mark. Okay, and you can set the effects for this. Shape styles you can change. Shape effect you can give. Okay, here also 3D is there. You can set 3D effects for that. Okay, you can see the changes over there. Okay, like this changes you can do. Okay, that shape effect, from that you can set. And shadow like effect you can set. Okay, shadow you can set. Glow, you can set the glow for that. Okay, soft edges if you want you can change. 3D effect you can change. Okay, what your 3D rotation. So here you can make changes, rotation. Okay, you can see the difference of that. This is for inserting a shape, and you can change the shape style shapes. Shape also you can make changes here. Like if you want the thicker arrow mark, you can make changes using this yellow mark. Okay, rotation you can do with this one symbol. Okay, here also you can make this shape size. You can make the changes in shape size. Okay, here also for this also you can make changes here like this using this yellow mark. Okay, this is insertion of a shape. Again, insert smart art is there. Okay, insert shape is over. Different shape you can insert. All our ready-made shapes are there. You can insert circles, arrows, lines, flowchart symbols, callouts, everything. And smart art. If you want to show the group-wise information, then you can go for smart art. Okay, I am taking next sheet here. Click on smart art. Okay, here in a smart art graphic, you are having many different types. Smart arts are there. List wise smart art is there. Process, okay. Cycle, okay. This is there. And hierarchy system, to show the some hierarchy system. And relationship, showing relationships, that smart art is there. Matrix format is there. Pyramid style shape is there. Okay, whichever you want you can select. I am selecting this one now. Select this, just say okay. Here you can make changes for this text. Okay, just I want to change I am entering here course names. Just you can make changes here. Okay, like this I can set. This is one. Type your text here. You can type the text directly here or here also. It is pyramid of list. You can change like this also. You can make changes like this also. Like this. Okay. Like different layouts you can set for the pyramid. And you can change the color of the pyramid. You can change the color also. From this pyramid smart art tool. Color you can change the layouts. Okay, everything you can set here. Okay, and if you want to insert one more, you don't want this one, you close by closing this cross mark. You can insert different smart arts here. This kind of smart art if you want to insert, you can insert. Okay, that will be inserted like this. Okay, you can make changes for that. Just you move this smart art that is overlapped now. You can select whole picture and move like this. This also you can select and you can make changes over there. Here you can make changes for this also. If I am taking here BIOS, okay, like this I can enter. Okay, like this I can insert and I can make changes over here. can increase the size of the Smart Art. Okay, you can increase the font size also, and you can change the color also. Different color also you can set for that. Multicolor. Okay, like this you can change the, and the same Smart Art you can change like this also. Okay, so pie chart like that. Excuse. Okay, we have taken this picture. Like this you can insert. Okay, this is a Smart Art tool which is there in Insert Illustration group. Okay, these are the major options: picture, clip art, shapes, and Smart Art. Okay, like this you can insert various types of picture, clip art, shapes, Smart Art to your worksheet. Okay, I'll end here today. Next class we'll see chart option of MS Excel. Okay, be safe at home and please watch all recorded classes. Thank you.